Hey collectors and builders, we're gonna kick off the 124th news with some updates from the Empire Sky Studio. Apparently, we are getting a stand and a display base for these upcoming 124th scale plastic model kits, and they have released more images for us to check out the things that you can do with it. And guys, I'm kind of excited about this line because it seems that we can go all out and be creative with the display bases. You can take it out. It is very modular, snap together. Just take a look at these pictures, the things that you can do with it. So stay tuned. I've got my hands and my eyes on this kit, and hopefully I can get them in the next couple of months or so. Stay tuned, people. It's gonna be big. Next up, we have number 57, and unfortunately there hasn't been much news about some of the latest plastic model kits. They've got the competition, which I have mentioned in my previous episode. The results are out, so I'm just gonna share with you guys the winners and the images for the photography as well as the custom paint or custom job. They all look pretty cool, and the grand prize goes to this guy right here. This person actually 3D printed some parts, and just, I don't know guys, this is just brilliant, genius, man. It looks cool. It looks cool. Alright, let's move on to the next section. We're gonna talk about Hexa Gear. They have released the color and the images for a couple of the governors, the X1 as well as the judge head. So kind of similar to the A1 as well as the Sentinel. Speaking about release, we have to check out the dates for the Acne Rage as well as the Governor Pawn A1, which will be out on the 24th of January. And 3 days later, we are gonna get the Bump Up Expander. It's gonna be the most expensive governor that you will pay. I think it's about 50 to 60 US dollars. But the size will be much bigger, so I think I'm gonna get the collector's edition. Make sure you subscribe to my channel because we're gonna dive deep into this Hexa Gear Poison Wonderland. If you haven't watched my review video on the alternative trackdown, make sure you do that after this video. because guys, it's a pretty cool kit, I would say. It adds more characters into this Hexa Gear world. And to wrap up today's video, I'm gonna just show you guys some of the Hexa Gear kits that will be coming out for the rest of the year. Well, from January up until June. So make sure you save the date and grab yourself some kits. And one last thing, if you shop on HobbyLink Japan, I've got a link for you guys. You can actually buy your Hexa Gear kits or action figures or plastic model kits using my link to support my channel, which I am very much thankful or will be grateful. Well, you get what I mean. Until next time, terima kasih, sayonara.